The U0121 diagnostic trouble code indicates a complete loss of communication between your vehicle's engine control module or body control module and the anti-lock braking system module through the controller area network, known as the CAN bus. The CAN bus is the communication backbone of modern vehicles, operating at 500 kilobits per second. This network allows different control modules to share critical information for vehicle operation and safety systems. The ABS module is a critical safety component that prevents wheel lockup during braking. It continuously broadcasts status messages every 10 to 20 milliseconds to other vehicle systems. When the U0121 code appears, there are 5 primary causes to investigate. The most common is a faulty ABS module itself, accounting for 35 to 40% of all cases. Wiring harness problems are the second most common cause, representing 25 to 30% of cases. These include damaged connectors, frayed wires, and corrosion that interrupts the communication signals. Poor ground connections account for 15 to 20% of U0121 codes. Power supply problems represent 10 to 15%, while ECM or BCM malfunctions cause 5 to 10% of cases. Modern diagnostic tools have revolutionized U0121 troubleshooting. Enhanced CAN bus analyzers, wireless diagnostic integration, and AI-assisted troubleshooting help technicians pinpoint communication failures more precisely than ever before. Understanding these common causes and having the right diagnostic approach is essential for efficiently resolving U0121 communication errors and restoring proper ABS system operation. The first step in troubleshooting U0121 is performing an initial diagnostic scan using a bidirectional scanner to attempt communication with the ABS module. Step 2 involves checking the power supply by verifying battery voltage and ensuring the charging system is operating correctly. Step 3 requires testing all ABS-related ground connections, ensuring ground resistance is less than 0.1 volts for proper operation. Step 4 involves analyzing the CAN bus for proper voltage levels. The nominal voltage should be 2.5 volts, with an acceptable range between 1.5 and 3.5 volts. Step 5 is the module isolation test. If necessary, disconnect the ABS module to test if the network recovers, which helps identify if the module itself is causing the communication failure. Once you've identified the root cause, repair strategies vary based on the specific problem found during diagnosis. Remember these critical best practices. Always verify CAN bus voltage levels are within specification and ensure proper initialization sequences are completed after any module replacement.